about chilly waters, oh my gosh, off of Boston. Take a look at the sea smoke forming there. It's actually steam, of course, not smoke. The fog forms when the especially cold air moves over the relatively warmer waters. There was video from up in New Hampshire, I think, where they threw water out and it immediately crystallized.
And if you use the hot water for that, that's actually what does it best. And so it's weird the way the physics actually work on it. Steam fog is what we do call that as well. And the steam fog of a cloud really is what we like to say too, because steam is actually invisible. Water vapor that we associate with steam, it's actually invisible. So that's just a cloud. Steam cloud fog is what we like to say.
All right, everybody wants to know when, where is my neighborhood going to get hit?
Enough of the nurse science nerd. Let's get to the weather, right? Let's take a live look outside, exactly what's coming our way. And there it is. First starting winter weather advisories, Baltimore, Washington metros, and then it goes to winter storm warnings the farther west. We're expecting more of some possible icing issues going on, and that's freezing rain. Whereas opposed to we're getting at least a little bit of snow for the Baltimore, Washington metros and not a whole lot of the icing event. Remember, the icing event is freezing rain. That's rain that's coming down, but it hits something that's below 32 degrees and it freezes up to a sheet of ice on the roads, and it's impossible to drive on. Real-time temperatures, teens and 20s, and why that's very important, getting to the point where roads are having a problem with the pre-treatment. It gets really tough to develop and warm up the surface enough to melt that snow at 15 to 20 degrees. We're also seeing first reports southwest of Washington, Hot Springs, Virginia, and the Commonwealth, way up high, and it's near some of the mountain snow resorts, or ski resorts is what I'm trying to say, and that's getting a first of some snow. But a little wider view here, upper level system, and that's moving our way, and this is our first wave of that snow to be coming in. The timing right now, we're going to see, but from about 7, 8 o'clock western zones to near midnight. It starts as snow first with the cold air locked in place, then the warmer air is going to come in, change the precipitation types, eventually all to rain moving in as we go overnight Monday and through Tuesday. By Tuesday afternoon, anything wintry is washed away. Let's go back and see what we're doing for the way of timing snow. 9:30 could be as early as the leading waves of light snow up towards about the 11 o'clock to midnight hour in towards Washington as well. Then we should have a break, and then we develop our next wave of snow going on tomorrow morning. Teens to 22. That's why this dry snow on roads could be some slick spots. Not a whole lot of it with it being light tonight, but if you happen to be out after it begins, do be careful. The main snow event tomorrow as we go morning, midday to early afternoon. This is light, and then some heavier snowfall projected to pick up in the afternoon before the mix starts. And that forecast puts down a good at least swath of about 3 to 4 inches of snow is a good average for many totals, which is right in line with our initial snow forecast of 2 to 5, maybe a bullseye somewhere, but this is a pretty generalized snow over the entire area. And again, a good 3 to 4 looks a pretty good number. But then west to here, as we work through the afternoon and evening time frame, Blue Ridge, Catoctons, and the Shenandoah Valley, where the cold air gets locked in place, there could be that freezing rain and icing that sets up. And that's why the winter storm warnings. Over a 1/4 inch of ice is possible. That could even down some power lines if you get some gustier winds. Highs tomorrow don't break upper 20s to 30s. This is where the mix begins, and watch, it's a brief mix and more rain. Washington coming in, and then that more icing event coming in west. Not until we get late night hours is it all to rain coming in. And as we go through Tuesday, do we get a final round of rain to come on in. But if we do get a break in between when the final transition comes Monday night and before Tuesday rolls around, there could be some slushier spots to stick on the roads Tuesday morning. So road treatment, the effectiveness, one issue tonight. It's light snow, but even a main road could become slick too at these temperatures. Remember, the mix comes in starting tomorrow afternoon. So the main snow event before we change over is midday tomorrow, morning, midday to early afternoon. And the freezing rain is the issue for the Warren counties going on west of here. Do not get the complete transition to rain as we go to Monday night. A little bit earlier, Washington Metro, much later up to the freezing rain event in the counties west. And we won't wash everything away Tuesday, so there's still the potential. Kids at home are going to love this. There's still potential coming in Tuesday morning for even some possible delays in the immediate Washington Metro coming in if we just don't get enough rain to come in to wash it off before the main rain event comes in Tuesday.
All right. Before
so you're saying there's a chance.
Yeah, right. So we're going to hold on to that a little bit. Before we go to sports, Marvel's profane and sarcastic superhero Deadpool, did you see him? Had a record box office opening for an R-rated film this weekend. It hauled in an estimated $135 million at the domestic box office, and that eclipses The Matrix Reloaded, which opened to $91.7 million back in May 2003. Deadpool also became the biggest February opening ever by a large margin, overtaking last year's 50 Shades of Grey, which made a little more than $85 million. It looks hilarious and very irreverent.
Looks good.
Yeah. All right, right to sports.
All right, coming up, we have highlights from a couple of local women's basketball teams, plus the slam dunk contest. It didn't disappoint. We'll let you decide who is best. It was that close.